In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Apple Pay on Binance. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make a quick, secure crypto purchase right from your iPhone and what to look for before you confirm. Start by opening the Binance app on your iPhone and logging in. For the smoothest experience, make sure your app is up to date and that Apple Pay is already set up on your device. This keeps the checkout process fast and secure, using the same protections you rely on for everyday purchases. From the home screen, head to Buy Crypto or Add Funds. Both options get you to a purchase flow. Buy Crypto is the most direct way to pick a coin and pay on the spot, while Add Funds focuses on topping up first. Choose the route that matches how you like to pay. Next, select the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. You can pick popular options or a stable coin depending on your goal. If you plan to trade later, a widely supported asset can make moving funds between markets easier. Enter the amount you want to buy. Double check the currency you're entering, whether it's in your local currency or in the crypto amount, to avoid surprises. Keep an eye on any minimum purchase requirements, and remember that market prices can shift slightly while you're on this screen. When you reach the payment methods, choose Apple Pay if it appears for you. If you don't see it, that usually means it isn't currently available for your region, your account verification status, or your device settings. Availability can vary, and it's normal for payment options to change based on where you're located and how your account is set up. Before you pay, carefully review the order details, look at the purchase amount, the estimated price, any processing fees, and the total cost. This is the moment to confirm everything matches your intent. If something seems off, adjust the amount or recheck the selected cryptocurrency. When you're ready, confirm the payment using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. This step authorizes the transaction securely with Apple Pay without sharing your full card details with the merchant. Once the payment is approved, your crypto will be credited to your Binance account. You can find it in your wallet, and it's typically available shortly after the purchase. From there, you can hold it, transfer it, or start trading. Note that Apple Pay availability on Binance depends on your country, account verification status, and device settings. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Apple Pay tips and tutorials.